Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be really short. I'm going to give you a demo on how you can apply for the Young Professional Scheme ballot right now. So you head over to this website and there might be a bit of a queue because there is a queue right now when I've gotten here, but don't worry, it should get cleared. It's taken me about an hour, but it should get cleared relatively quicker now. The first thing you need to do is create an account. And if you're creating it for yourself, click me or else somebody else. After that, fill out your name and your surname. If you don't have a surname, use your first name as your surname. Country of nationality, please click India. Now you need to fill out your passport number and the country it was issued in. You'll also have to enter your passport expiry date, and all of this information is available on your passport. After this, you'll have to fill in your email address, because if it's not correct, you're not going to get the verification code that comes to your email, so make sure it's 100% accurate. Fill out the security code you get and click continue. And depending on whether you want somebody else to have access, you can click yes or no. I'm going to click no. Then check all of your details and click create an account. After this, you will have to sign in to your account again. So we're going to sign in now using our passport number and then enter your date of birth again. Now, check the security code you've received on your email again. Enter the security code, click continue, and then click start application. Now, I suggest you download this application from here because it's going to give you all of the details that you need to have. After that, you're going to go ahead and you are going to create contact preferences. I'm going to pick my email ID so they can contact me on that. Click continue. If you've made any mistakes to your email ID, check it here, change it here if required. If not, click continue. Next, I'm going to sign the declaration. So you click on declaration and you read all of the details over here, and you need to be sure you are over 18 years and click continue. After that, you're going to provide evidence. So what you need to do is you need to upload your passport. Now, please ensure that you upload the front and the back of your passport. So what they've said over here is it needs to be clear and easy to read. It should be under 6 MB, JPEG, JPG, PNG, or PDF, and name it correctly. Okay. And here you upload this. So you click over here and upload evidence. And you pick the file, your passport, that you have already saved to your computer. So I have my passport here. I have uploaded my passport. I'm going to click the upload button now. And if you have your front and your back of the passport on two separate pages, you will click add another file. If not, you're going to click continue. So I'm going to click continue because I have saved the front and the back of my passport on one file. So I don't need to add another file. If I had two separate documents, I would add another file. I'm going to click continue. And I'm going to click continue again over here. And I'm going to confirm and upload. Evidence uploaded, you provided a copy of your passport page. Now, next, you're going to click continue if you understand all of the details that have been provided. And the last step is just to submit your form. Now, I'm not going to click submit because I'm not applying for this, but all you have to go ahead and do is click submit over here. That's it. And that's it. With this, you should be done with your application and you should receive an email after you have applied. It's going to take about 2 weeks. The max should be 2 weeks for you to get back a response from the government. So all you have to do is be patient until then. But if you've done everything I've just showed you until now, you're perfectly good and you have applied perfectly well, and there shouldn't go anything wrong. There shouldn't be anything wrong. Anyway, I hope this helps. All the best, and drop me a message below if you have any questions on the process. Thanks for watching.